Human population. Every few years, a census, which counts all the people who live in a country, is taken. A census collects information about where people live and their economic condition. The study of information about human populations is called demography. Information about populations includes size, density, distribution, movement, birth rates, and death rates. To determine the growth rate of a population, you need to consider different factors. The factors include people moving in or out of a population, along with births and deaths. The birth rate is the number of live births per 1,000 people in a given year. The death rate is the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a given year. Keeping track of people who move into and out of a population is not always possible, so it is easier to use the birth rate and death rate to calculate the population growth, or the PGR. The formula used to calculate PGR is birth rate minus death rate. Age structure refers to the number of people at each different age level. Scientists are interested in ages of the population and how many people are males and how many are females. This information tells the scientists if the population is stable, growing, or becoming smaller. Scientists put age information into a graph called an age structure graph. An age structure graph shows at a glance the ages of the largest group in the population. When a large amount of the population is made up of children, as seen as in example A, then the population is experiencing rapid growth. When there are more adults than children, the population is declining. When the amount of people in the different age range levels are about equal, the population is stable, like in example B. In the past, new technology, especially in agriculture and medicine, enabled more people to survive and reproduce. The human population has been growing faster and faster, but as we know, when a population grows, the demand for resources also grows. The environment has definitely felt the effects of humans, especially after the Industrial Revolution. Here we contaminated earth and water and the airs, all with pollution. Pollution can be caused by a variety of factors, including chemical waste, noise, heat, and light. Pollution destroys wildlife and causes a lot of health problems. As cities became crowded, people started moving out to the suburbs. This also caused stress on ecosystems and plants and trees because they were decimated, and animals were displaced from their habitats when people started building their homes and the roads and the infrastructures. It's important to know that every decision has some impact on the environment. Your personal decision of what to eat or how to travel might have just a small impact, but when the personal decisions of billions of people are combined, they have a huge impact on the environment. Okay, it's time to show what you know.